What's up everyone, this is Panda once again. So I felt like the video that I did not justify any of the viewing points that I was trying to make in that video. So I'm going to remake it in this video. This time the monitor is center so you guys can see the monitor. I do have the sunshade on the monitor. It's an overcast day, so it's not as sunny as it was yesterday, but I wanted you guys to see it right in person, how it looks with the sun shade on it. Now brightness is at 50% and the backlit is actually at 65%. And I want you guys to see how visible it is. I can see everything clearly, and the reason why I do not have the backlit set at 100 is because I do not want to kill the battery within the next 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Yes, this monitor is supposed to have 180 nits, close to 500 nits. Now, let's stop here for a second, pause the video, and take the Velcro off, or sunshade off. Let's see how visible it is without the sunshade on it. And I can clearly still see everything. Wow. Very sharp, very detailed. It looks nice. As you can see, it looks very nice. My shutter speed is up on my camera because of the overcast clouds, and do not have an ND filter for this one. I do, but it's 1000 and it's too much. But as you can see, the monitor is working perfectly fine. And I can view it. As you can see, you can view everything and see everything in the monitor. So you do not have to actually turn up the backlit light on up to 100% to get what you want to see in this monitor. It is bright enough, it's powerful enough, so take this video with a grain of salt. Guys, please do subscribe, like, and share. Guys, the affiliate links to this monitor will be in the description below. It is an Amazon link. And as I said before, I'm only trying to give everyone a bit of context how well the monitor does in the real world. And this is the real world situation.